Okay, so in this session, we'll talk about something called as context variables, or we can also say it as session variables. So context variables or session variables are nothing but just a variable which are used to store some specific information about any logged in user or anything into the messaging context object, right? So basically, whenever a customer starts a new chat onto your website, let's say customer started a new chat and a pop-up gets opened, right? So whenever customer clicks onto this chat icon and a new chat gets started, we know that there is a messaging session record which gets created, right? Messaging session is an object, and one record of this object gets created, and this record id is passed to the AI agent, right? And uh, that's how we pass the current messaging session to the AI agent, right? This is what we already know, right? That whenever a new chat gets started, one messaging session records gets created, and that record ID gets passed to the AI agent, right? Now, now the thing is, how can we store, let's say this is your messaging session object record MSR, right? How can we store some specific information about the current logged in user? Let's say this into this website of mine there is a logged in user, right? So how can I store this user's record ID or maybe some any information about related to this user into this messaging session record, right? So just for a demo, let me quickly show you a demo. So this is my website, right? So into this website I already have this messaging embedded service deployment, right? So as soon as I click onto this messaging icon, one messaging session will get created, and that record id of that messaging session will be passed to the AI agent, and this AI agent will come up, right? Now I'll ask this AI agent that how many opportunities do I have, right? So basically me as this user, right? So whosoever this user is, the logged in user is asking that how many opportunities do I have, right? So this particular AI agent is answering me that you have three associated opportunities with your account. So let me quickly show you. This user is related to this particular person account, right? Let me just remove it. So this logged in user, this portal user is associated with this person account, right? So let me quickly show you. This is the user which is logged into this portal, and this is associated with my person account contact, right? So, and this is the person account. Now if I show you, this particular account do have three opportunities. One is opportunity 1, 2 and 3, right? And the same opportunities are being fetched by this AI agent as well. Opportunity 1, 2 and 3, right? So how this AI agent is getting that this is the person account which is asking me for the opportunities, right? There should be something there should be something where we are storing the account ID of this person account, and based on that account ID this AI agent is fetching something, right? So this is what this is where the messaging session or the session context variables comes into the picture, right? So into the next video I'll show you step by step how to configure these things, right? And how exactly we create the context variables and everything, right? So see you into the next lecture.